Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Akbar Pratama and my ID number is 3121600053. In this video, I make a procedural text and topic is handicraft and title is crafting high-flying wonders and step-by-step with to crafting amazing paper craft. Uh, let's go to the paper craft. Okay, paper craft is collection of craft using paper or cards as the primary artistic medium for the creation or three-dimensional object. Paper and cardstock are timeless to the wide range of techniques and can be folded, curved, pinned, cut, cut, mold, stitch, or wire. Paper marking by hand is also a paper craft. Paper crafts are now most societies that use paper with content of craft being particular associated with specific country or cultures in Caribbean countries. Welcome to the world creative crafting where we take to the skin with paper in hand. In this step by step, we will embrace on the exciting journey to craft amazing paper craft that should craft out the air. There you are, the seasoned paper craft enthusiast or a beginner looking for a fun project. This guide will walk you through the process, making it easy for you to create impressive paper craft that will leave you and your friend in awe. Prepare material and tools. Before we embrace on the adventure of crafting amazing paper craft, make sure you have prepared all the necessary material. There is a list of the material we need this project, and scissors, next glue stick, and then template paper craft plan. Next, step by step we make crafting. 1. Cutting the template. Detailed step on how to carefully cut the paper aircraft template along the market line. Next, folding. We test on how to fold the various section of the paper aircraft according to the fold line provided on the template. Next is gluing. Instruction on using glue to join the different parts of the paper aircraft together as indicated in the instruction of the template. Next is assembly. Step-by-step guidance for assembling the paper aircraft in a skilled manner, starting with the base and progress to wing, tail, and other components. and then we, we assembling the plan is finished. The emphasis of the importance of patching through the process for achieving will crafting paper aircraft. So then, the complete guide to getting amazing paper aircraft. We hope you enjoy this video creative process and take pride in the final result. Feel free to explore variation other paper aircraft, pattern and design, and share your artwork with friends or hike with your imagination and crafting. Bye, see you in the next video.